Good morning, children. Today I am going to take the class for 8th standard. The subject is Geography. 4th lesson. The lesson Migration and Urbanization. Now we will see what is meant by migration. Actually, it was defined by several experts in different ways. That means migration is the permanent or semi-permanent change of residence of an individual. Change of residence of an individual or group of people. Maybe individual or group of a people over a significant distance. That is said to be migration. So, the term migration refers to the movement of people from one place to another. That's all about migration. Migration means nothing but moving a group of people or an individual moving from one place to another. That is said to be migration. Next, we will see the causes of rural to urban migration. Ecological or natural causes of migration. Second one, economic causes of migration. Socio, that means society, cultural cause of migration. Demographic cause of migration. Political cause of migration. Causes of ecological or natural migration. Actually, natural migration includes volcanic eruption, mankind changed considerably. At this stage, people continue to move from one place to another in search of fertile land for cultivation. Good fertile land, they move from one place to another. Now we will see the types of migration, that is pull factors of migration, push factors of migration. Now we will see one by one. What is meant by pull factors of migration? The favorable factors. That is very important. Favorable factors which attract the people towards a location, that is said to be pull factors of migration. Favorable condition. Next we will see the push factors of migration. Here there is the unfavorable factors. Because of this, due to this unfavorable factors which make the people to move out from a location, that is said to be push factors. Children, now we have seen pull factors of migration and push factors of migration. The difference is that favorable condition and unfavorable condition. In the location, it is favorable factors, that is said to be pull factors. Unfavorable factors, that is said to be push factors of migration. Next we will come to the voluntary migration. That is two types, that is voluntary migration and involuntary migration. Now we will see voluntary migration. If the migration takes place on person's free will, initiative and desire to live in a better place. They have the desire to live in a better place, to improve their financial status. The migration is said to be voluntary migration. Once again, voluntary migration we will see person's free will, and also they have the desire to live in particular area, in better place. For what? The purpose is to improve their financial status. That type of migration is said to be voluntary migration. Children, now we will see involuntary migration. Before we have seen voluntary migration, that is people's free will. Now we will see involuntary migration. if the migration takes place against the will of migrants, is known as involuntary migration. So we have seen two types: voluntary migration, involuntary migration. Voluntary migration, people's free will, that is voluntary. Here, involuntary, that is against the will of migrants, that is said to be involuntary migrants. Next, so far we have seen the willingness of the migrant, that is voluntary and involuntary. Now we will see the duration, that is time, period of stay of migrants in the place of destination. That is three types: short-term migration, long-term migration, seasonal migration. That is, first we will see short-term migration. The migrants stay outside only for a short duration. That is said to be short-term, live only short duration. Long-term duration, the migrants stay outside at least for a few years. That is said to be long-term migration. Now the last one is seasonal migrant. That is usually a group of people migrates from their native places during a particular season. And return after the end of that season. That is said to be seasonal. They will stay particular season in particular place. Again they return after the end of that season. That is said to be seasonal migration. Now we will see urbanization. What is meant by urbanization? Actually it refers to the process in which there is an increase of proportion of population living in towns and cities. That is said to be urbanization. Now the problems, what are the problems faced in the urbanization? We will see one by one. First we will see the housing and slums. That is the first problem. Lack of space for housing. Next one is, second one is overcrowding. Takes place in urban, that is in cities. Leads to unhealthy environment. Overcrowd. It leads to unhealthy. There won't be healthy. Unhealthy environment. It causes water supply, drainage and sanitation. That is the problems in the cities. We can see that. No city has a round-clock water supply in the world. Main is lack of water. Next, drainage situation is equivalent. That is equally bad condition. In cities we can see that. Now another one, main is transportation and traffic problems. Absence of planned and adequate arrangements for traffic and transport. So that is transportation and traffic. Absence of planned and adequate arrangement. There is no clear arrangement in the transportation. Increasing number of two-wheelers, that is the another one drawback. And also cars. Make the traffic problem. Due to this more increase of two-wheelers and cars, there is a traffic problem. In cities we can see this traffic problem. The last one is that is pollution. Main towns and cities are the major polluters. Both the towns and cities are the major polluters of the environment. So children, we have seen the problems of urbanization: main housing and slums, overcrowding, water supply, drainage and sanitation. Next we have seen the transportation and the traffic problems. Next pollution we have seen that. So these are the things we can see observed in the cities, that is said to be problems of urbanization. So far we have seen that is migration and urbanization. Migration refers to a group of people moving one place to another place. That is urbanization. Also we have seen that urbanization refers to the process which population living in towns and cities. So far we have discussed about the migration and urbanization in this lesson. Go through this. We will see in the next class. Thank you.